Hello everyone. Imagine you're out shopping with a limited budget. You've got money, but you can't buy everything you want, right? So how do you decide what to buy? Today, we're going to explore how you make these decisions using something called Indifference Curve Analysis. Don't worry, I'll break it down with simple examples. Let's start with your budget. Your budget is the money you have to spend. When you go shopping, you can only buy what you can afford, right? This gives us something called the budget set, which includes all the combinations of items you can buy with your money. The budget line is a simple way to show the maximum you can spend on 2 items. Think of it like this. If you have $10, you could buy 5 burgers or 10 drinks or some combination in between. The budget line is like a boundary. It shows all the possible ways you can spend your money on 2 items. If you spend all your money on burgers, you won't have any left for drinks. If you spend some on drinks, you have less for burgers. This line helps you see all the possible choices you have with your budget. Now, let's talk about your preferences. What if you like both pizza and soda? How do you decide how much of each to buy? This is where indifference curves come in. An indifference curve shows different combinations of 2 goods that give you the same level of satisfaction. So, any point on the curve means you're equally happy with the combination of pizza and soda. Imagine you're just as happy with 2 pizzas and 3 sodas as you are with 3 pizzas and 2 sodas. Both combinations lie on the same indifference curve. But what if you want to see all the possible ways to be happy with different combinations? That's where an indifference map comes in. It's a collection of multiple indifference curves, each showing different levels of satisfaction. Now, let's bring it all together to understand consumers' equilibrium. This is the point where you maximize your satisfaction with the money you have. On a graph, consumers' equilibrium is where your budget line just touches the highest possible indifference curve. At this point, you're getting the most happiness from your money without overspending. It's like finding the perfect balance between pizza and soda that makes you happiest. Let's apply this to real life. Imagine you're shopping for clothes. You've got a limited budget and you need to choose between a t-shirt and a pair of shoes. Your budget line shows all the combinations you can afford, and your indifference curves show how satisfied you'd be with different choices. The point where your budget line touches the highest indifference curve is where you've made the best possible choice. So, next time you're making decisions with your money, remember that it's all about balancing what you can afford with what makes you happiest. Understanding indifference curves and consumers' equilibrium can help you make smart, satisfying choices. That's it for today. Keep these ideas in mind, and you'll start to see how economics plays a role in your everyday decisions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and fun lessons. See you in the next video.